Alright, so today we're going to be replacing the rear microfilter on this BMW X7. It's a very easy job. You just open the trunk and then you're going to see this little panel here. You're going to pull this down and just move it out the way. And now you're going to have this panel here. What I usually like to do is just push it down a bit, and now you can pull it out. Now when you look at this section here, all you have to do is slide this up and then pull it out, and it's a very easy job. You just pull this microfilter straight out. You're gonna get your new microfilter, and usually there you're gonna point it forward, so we're gonna put it in like this. Just place it in there, make sure it's correctly installed. So to put this piece back on, make sure this tab here is at the top, and you're going to want to line up all these tabs here to these tabs. And you just push it down until you hear or feel a click. Now we're going to put this piece back up. Where it says open, points at the top. This is easier with two hands. It's kind of hard to show you, but there you go. Now we're gonna put the final piece back on, and it's this right here. Very easy job to do. You're already done.